Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue learning the poem Indian Weavers, composed by Sarojini Naidu. And we are going to learn stanza 2 today. But before starting, I would like to make a request to subscribe the channel. Now let's proceed. Stanza 2. Weavers weaving at fall of night. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. So that was stanza 2. Now the explanation of it. In this stanza, the speaker again meets the weavers during the onset of night. The speaker questions the weavers why they are weaving a garment which looks attractive, like the purple and green colored feathers of a peacock. The weavers reply that they are weaving the marriage veils of a queen. Notes: at fall of night refers to the evening or dusk, a time when the sun sets and it paves the way for the darkness. It is also the time during which most of the Indian marriages take place. The word garment means clothes. The word plumes means feathers. The word veils means a small piece of cloth used to cover the face of a woman. The weavers weave clothes on the happy occasion of a queen's marriage, and thus they choose the attractive colors purple and green. The garment at this time is bright, magnificent, and full of colors like the feathers of a peacock. The second stanza depicts the second stage of human life, that is, adulthood. Figures of speech. Simile. It is a figure of speech when someone or something is compared to a completely different person or thing using the words as or like. The phrase like the plumes of a peacock, purple and green, is an example of simile, as it compares the cloth being woven to the plumes of a peacock, using the word like. Imagery. The suggestion of a clear mental picture or image by the use of words is called imagery. It is a suggestive word picture. A poet can create or suggest beautiful sight effects and sound effects by means of words. The expression weavers weaving at fall of night suggests two images, evening and weavers weaving cloth. Symbolism. Poets and writers often use objects or colors or different words to denote an idea. In this poem, the different times of the day and colors of fabric are conveying the idea of a life cycle, such as morning refers to birth, happiness and hope, evening refers to celebration of life during adulthood, and night refers to old age and death. Alliteration. It is a figure of speech in which the same letter is repeated in the beginning of consecutive or closely placed words, such as weavers weaving, why do you weave, and we weave are the phrases where the letter W is repeated. Similarly, plumes of a peacock, purple, is the phrase where the letter P is repeated. So friends, that was the second stanza of the poem Indian Weavers by Sarojini Naidu. Today we will stop right here. In the next video, we are going to discuss stanza 3, which is the last stanza of this poem. Till then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.